Hi, when you buy or sell shares, it is not just the stock price you must pay. There are other charges involved like account, transactional, etc. Let's understand these charges so that you are not surprised. Account charges. There are two types of charges at the time of opening. Wherever you have to open the account, you have to pay a fee. On Groww, there are zero account opening charges, maintenance. For maintaining your demat or trading account, DP charge an annual fee called AMC. On Groww, AMC charges are zero as well. DP charges. The next important is the DP charges. Remember that demat accounts are given to you by DPs. Now you don't have to pay anything while buying a stock, but each time you sell a stock from a demat account, you must pay a fee to the DPs. It's a flat fee despite the number of shares you sell. On Groww, the DP charges are 13.5 rupees per trading day per company for delivery. DP charges are not applicable if you are doing intraday. Now let us understand the other charges with an example. I have taken an example of a share I recently bought on Groww. I can see all these charges, so the stock price is rupees 240 into 10 quantity. Total payout becomes 2400 rupees. Now, let us understand the charges one by one. The first charge you can see is brokerage. On Groww, it is 0.05% or rupees 20, whichever is lower. Next in line are exchange transaction charges. For NSE, it is 0.00325% and for BSE, it is 0.00375%. Now after that comes CGST, SGST and IGST, which basically means GST, which is 18% levied on brokerage, exchange transaction charges, SEBI turnover charges, and auto square-off charges. Next is UTT, which is Union Territory Tax and is never charged. Then comes STT, which is Securities Transaction Tax. On Groww, STT chargeable is 0.1% on delivery and 0.025% on intraday. Now, SEBI turnover fees are 0.0001% for both intraday and delivery. Then, stamp duty is 0.015% for delivery and 0.003% for intraday. The last is IPFT, which is the Investor Protection Fund Trust Charge, which is 0.0001% for both intraday and delivery. So, the net amount that had to be paid was rupees 2,403.5. Please note this was an example of buying a stock where DP charges were not levied, but DP will be added if you sell the stock. I hope all the charges applicable are now clear to you. Also, these are the charges as of November 2023. To check the updated charges, please read the pricing. Thanks for watching.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.